Good evening, dear classmates and tutor. My name is Eduardo Mejia. I am at 8th semester of a degree in English as a foreign language. This is an activity for the course Material Design for Virtual Environments, Group 23 from the UNAD. Designing Teaching Material with Web 2.0 Tools. The tool that I'm going to present you this night is Legends of Learning. Legends of Learning is an e-learning platform based on web games divided by subjects. It allows you to make playlists with any game you consider and teach or reinforce a subject while you check your students' progress in order to see their errors and feedback them. The main page of the site is divided in two parts. Where this is a project that started not long ago, so it's slowly taking strength. It's divided in elementary school subjects and middle school subjects, with an emphasis on science. Like you can see, earth science, life, and physical science. Here you can choose from elementary or middle school activities about different types of science educational games. In the site, it's based on playlists. Like you make playlists of songs for your daily routine. You can make a playlist with various games. As you can see here, you have a list of games. You have reviews of the games, a curriculum, and a small description as for the use of the game. It is more used for instructional facts or assessment or just introduction on a subject. Also, it's based on questions or a more practical game. Okay? You have the option to try the game or directly add it to the list, to your playlist. When you add a game to your playlist, it looks like this. You can check the bar of the time. You can choose 30 minutes, 35 minutes, the time you want for your playlist or that you have in mind for your class. You can add as many games as the bar lets you. Okay? There's something very important here. You can name your playlist, and here, this is your teacher tag. This is the tag that you have to share with your students so you can add them. Create a student with this button. So your students can find your playlist and use it and play it, so you can in real time, after you hit the launch button here, you can check in real time as the times goes by. You can check how many students are playing the first, the second, or the third game, or how many students already finished and are on their free play time. Also, you can pause the playlist if you want to make some notes during the class, or just cancel it, okay, with this button. In this screen, you can check your student records and how they progress their development. The activities, the lesson plans that I designed is almost the same. It just checks the playlist with two topics that I choose. The first is a space and our place on it. That is based on 3 games and a playlist of 42 minutes for them to play and a little bit of free play for the students. And the second one is about food webs, about the life science. Okay? First, a warm-up with the video What is Science? For kids. It displays in a very easy manner what is science. After that, a presentation of each of the subjects about our place on Earth, on space, and natural science. And the other one about food webs, about animals and the food webs and predators and subjects like that. Okay? This is a tool that led you with a little introduction. You can with ease make a class. You can easily make a whole class based on this site, because the whole site have the tools and the presentation to guide the students for themselves. You just make a brief introduction, and at the end check their development in real time and give feedback. I think this tool is perfect if you have the infrastructure in your school, and if you are a beginner teacher, if you don't have too much experience managing groups of students, or if you can give a break to a more conservative lesson plan. Okay. My name was Eduardo Mejia. I hope you like this tool and you can use it in the near future. Thank you very much.